In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Google Chrome syncing paused error. So this is actually a really annoying error as it means you keep having to log back into your Google accounts and it's not saving any of your data. So luckily there is one quick solution for this, and that's to head over to these three vertical dots in the top right hand side, scroll all the way down and click on settings. From the left hand side, select privacy and security, scroll all the way down and click on site settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on additional content settings. Scroll down again and click on on-device site data. And then from here, you want to make sure where it says allow sites to save data on your device, you need to make sure this option is checked like so. Then what you want to do is scroll down to where it says allow to save your data on your device. Click on this add button over here, and we're just going to type in accounts.google.com and press add. Now, once you've done that, you want to exit out of your browser, and then you can try relaunching it to check if that's fixed the issue. If it's still not working, what you'll need to do is click back on these three vertical dots, come all the way down to settings, select privacy and security, click on delete browsing data, make sure you have all three of these boxes checked and make sure the time range is set to all time, and then press delete data. And then once again, you can try launching up Google Chrome, and that should have now fixed any syncing issues you were having. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.